Welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this, hit the subscription button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Today we will be solving Day 1 HackerRank 30 Days of Code Challenge. Hi guys, I am Nayas from Technico MDN. Today I will be explaining how to solve Day 1 challenge, that is data types. So let's begin. Hi guys, let's begin with this challenge, that is Day 1 data types. I have already came in the full screen view, so let's begin. The objective of this challenge is the discussion of data types. As we have discussed in the previous video about data types, let's begin with this. The task they have given is complete the code in the editor below. The editor is here. The variables I, D and S are already declared. As you can see, I, D and S are already declared in these three lines. As you can observe, we cannot make any changes here. We cannot delete it. It's fixed. Next, they have asked us to declare three variables, one of type int, one of type double and one of type string. And then read three lines of input from standard input according to the sequence given in the input format section below. We will see it. Then initialize your three variables. And they have asked us to use this concatenating operator to perform the following operations. That is, print the sum. As we have discussed in the previous video, that plus operator does two things. One is to concatenate and another is to that is sum. The sum of I plus your int variable on a new line, then print the sum of D plus your double variable to a scale of one decimal place on a new line, then concatenate S with a string you read as input and print the result on a new line. Let's see what note they have given. If you are using a language that does not support using plus for string, as we are using Java, this language supports this concatenating operator. So not to worry. The input format is like this. The first line contains an integer that you must sum with I, okay. Then the second line contains a double that you must sum with D. Let's do that. The third line contains a string that you must concatenate with S. Fine. Then output format, print the sum of both integers on the first line. That is I and our integer. Then the sum of both doubles. Okay, then the double will be print, that is scaled to one decimal place. Okay, then on the second line of them, the two concatenated strings on the third line. As you can see, the sample input goes like this. They have given 12. You can observe previously there is 4 and input is 12, so the output goes like this: 12 plus 4, that is 16. And next, for double data type, previously we have 4 and again the input is given 4, so the output is 8. And next, the string S is equal to HackerRank, and the input is the best place to learn and practice coding. So we have to concatenate this and this. As you can observe, the operator is same plus, but the operations performed on the data types is changed. That is, if you perform the plus operator in between the two integers or double, it performs addition operator, that is addition operation, where when we use that on strings, it concatenates two strings. Explanation as I explained this one. Let's begin with the challenge. As you can see, the scanner class is already declared. Let's go with this. Declare second integer, double and string variables. So we have to declare the another variables, that is let's give int I2, then double D2, then string S2. For better understanding, I have used like this. So we have completed the declaration part. Next, read and save an integer, double and string. Note, if you have any trouble reading the entire string, please go back to the tutorial. So you can just go back to the previous video and check out. Now the thing is to read the inputs. I2 is equal to scan dot next, data type is int. So similarly D2 equals scan dot next double. Next, similarly S2 equals scan dot next line. I will show you one thing. Let's put again this line. And let's keep it commented. I will show the error that will occur when we just read this line only. Next, print the sum of both the integers. Let's print it. That is I plus I2. Then let's copy this and print the sum of double. Let's paste here and let's change this. That is D plus D2. And similarly, let's print the string, that is S plus S2. Note that I have commented this line. You will think that S2 is equal to scan dot next int, it will concatenate two strings, but what it happens, let's see. Let's run the code. You can see that the only HackerRank, the code or the input they have given have been outputted. You will get confused that we have read the string, they have given the string S, and S2 we have read, we are concatenating S plus S2, but why it is not coming? Note that next line, this function, what it does is it will just go and stop here. It will not enter to the next line. So when we use this same syntax, or we can call the same declaration again and again run it, see, you can see that the output is correct. Hope you understood why we have used this 2 times. So now let's submit the code and check the hidden test cases. As you can see, test case 0, test case 1 are both have successfully completed. So this is how we solve this day 1 challenge. Hope you have understood this. If you like this technique or this method of teaching, hit the like button and share with your friends. So let's go back to the dashboard. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this session was helpful. I hope you understood the concept of data types, that is in the day 1 challenge of 30 days of code Java. Meet you all in the next video. Bye.